Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to make a post public on Facebook. Most people have adjusted their Facebook settings so that only friends can see and share their post. One downside of this, if you create a highly shareable post, is that anyone who's not your friend won't be able to share it. Whether you want to make a post visible on your Facebook profile for anyone looking at your profile who isn't your friend, or you want to set one of your posts so that anyone can share it, you can do so by making that specific Facebook post public. In this video, I'll show you how to make a post public on Facebook using both the Facebook app for iPhone, iPad, and Android devices and the Facebook website. First, let's look at how to make a post public on Facebook using the Facebook app for iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. You'll land on your Facebook home screen. Step 2. Tap the menu icon at the bottom of the screen. The menu screen is shown. Step 3. Tap your Facebook profile picture at the top of the screen. Your Facebook profile screen is displayed. Step 4. Navigate to your Facebook post you want to make public and then tap the ellipses in the top right corner of that post. A menu flies up from the bottom of the screen. Step 5. Tap Edit Privacy in this menu. The Edit Privacy screen is shown. Tap to select Public in this list and then tap Done. You'll return to your Facebook profile screen where you'll see your new privacy selection displayed beneath your name. That specific Facebook post will now be publicly visible to people who look up your profile, and other Facebook users will be able to share it. Next, let's walk through how to make a Facebook post public on the Facebook website. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to facebook.com, and then log into your account if prompted. You'll land on your Facebook home screen. Click your profile picture at the top of the screen to view your Facebook profile page. Step 2. Navigate to your Facebook post you want to make public and then click the Privacy drop-down displayed beneath your name on that post. A menu is displayed. Step 3. Click to select Public in that menu. The menu will close and your privacy icon will be changed to a globe, indicating that Facebook post will now be publicly visible to people who look up your profile, and other Facebook users will be able to share it. Let me know what your favorite social media platform is in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my website to see more great tutorials like this one.